New intro. So much love and appreciation to those of you who have been with me for the 2 year period plus that I've been doing this. Thank you for showing your love and support to the channel. And to anybody else who is brand new to the platform and you would like to support the channel, also, you can do it by way of Patreon, Anchor, the clothing store, and also the shoe shop that is listed in the comment description below. And again, thank you to any and all of you guys who have been here to support this channel during the 2+ year period. I wouldn't be able to do what I do every single day without you. One by one, Brooklyn Criminal Court Judge Keisha Espinal vacated more than 50 drug convictions that had been based on testimony of former NYPD detective Joseph Franco. Franco was charged 2 years ago for perjury in Manhattan, while there's no evidence of misconduct in Brooklyn's case from 2004 through 2011. The Brooklyn District Attorney Office stated that it had lost confidence in the prosecutions. The district attorney has determined that under these circumstances that the vacatur of drug-related convictions serves the interest of justice, preserves limited resources, enhances public safety, and strengthens trust in the criminal justice system. Dozens of cases were set to be dismissed later Wednesday in a separate hearing. Shine, the deputy director of the Officers Correction Review Unit, said that Franco's alleged criminal conduct could not have been known to prosecutors or defense attorneys at the time since it was charged until years later. Quote, the people have not discovered the defendant's convictions were based on fabricated evidence or that the defendants are innocent. However, Brooklyn District Attorney Eric Gonzalez stated that in a statement that he had lost confidence in cases where the detective was an essential witness. The Legal Aid Society, which represents many of the defendants whose convictions were tossed, applauded the move. Corrupt NYPD detective Franco touched thousands of cases throughout New York City, and we may never know the full extent of the damage he caused and the lives he upended. Though, age 48, who was fired by the NYPD in May of 2020, is facing charges including perjury, offering a false instrument for filing, and official misconduct. Manhattan District Attorney Cy Vance said that Franco, while assigned to Manhattan's South Narcotics Division, lied about 3 separate arrests for drug crimes that were made between February 2017 and May of 2018. Franco has pled not guilty and is awaiting trial. Brooklyn DA Eric Gonzalez has stated that this is a premature decision to dismiss 90 cases in summary fashion, despite an investigation by his office which failed to uncover anything improper. It's baseless and irresponsible. This shocking and highly publicized decision has created a toxic atmosphere that is prejudicial and Mr. Franco's constitutional right to the presumption of innocence and a fair trial by an impartial jury. Franco's attorney, Howard E. Tanner, stated that, quote, my client, a 20-year decorated former detective with the NYPD, maintains his innocence and will mount an aggressive defense. Been saying for a very long time is that cops' lives matter. This is further proof of that. Now, in the original article that I read, they said that about close to 50, but then when you read a little bit deeper into the article, they state about close to 90. Now, for me, I feel like more than likely it's way more than that. We know that the NYPD is pretty corrupt, even though technically nobody's more corrupt than the LAPD. We all know this. But the main thing is that there's corruption all over the place, and a lot of the individuals who always want to back and support the cops, they always give a justification or an excuse as to why it is that these things are able to transpire and happen, and that we should never try to judge all cops by one cop's misdeeds, and different things like that. But the problem is all the cops are in on it. It's called a brotherhood for a reason. It's called the blue wall of silence for a reason. No matter what their brothers do, they're going to protect them, even though they're the utmost wrong. They're going to try to get the least amount of charges. They're going to try to get them out of there pretty much unscathed. They're going to try to put them up in the best prisons or jails or what have you. They're going to have, you know, others basically look out for them, you know, and stuff like that. Like I said, that's how corrupt they are. And this is exactly what they are about. You heard the DA, he was like, hey, you know, I don't 100%, you know, get this. It's like, yeah, there might be some issues with him, but, you know, my people, you know, went over these cases. And it's like, if you're going to throw these out, that's like saying that, in a sense, my people are wrong, you know. So that's the DA, in a sense, getting offended, getting emotional about what is transpiring, knowing the fact that his whole job is based off of getting convictions. That's what the DA is there for. They don't care like if you're wrong or right. They're just there to just arrest you and put you away. That's it. That's their whole job. They're not about trying to free innocent people. They're not. Last time I checked, I could have sworn we had somebody that might be a part of the government right now. That might have been a DA that was, you know, very good at, you know, putting people in jail, locking them away. But I digress. But like I said, cops' lives matter. And the more and more that stuff like this get brought to light, hopefully those who are locked up or who have had, you know, years taken away from them can be free. And then after they are free, they can happen to get some legal counsel that will actively and aggressively go after those who are the utmost corrupt, who put them behind bars and who stole that valuable time away from them. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about the story and everything that I listed in the comment description below. And as always, peace, love, and stay tuned for the next video.